Hey y'all, what's up? This your girl J Baby and welcome back to my channel. So today's series is series 9 on my 5 below perfumes, y'all. And y'all, I'm sorry, but I've been trying to get them out, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead on and do this one, and then I'm gonna show you a couple of things that I did get from 5 below that I think you guys would like, okay? They are pretty good, so I think you would like them. I got three like 3 pair of shoes from there. Is it 3 or 4? I think it's 3. So this one right here is Adriana Butterfly. Now, this one right here, y'all, I cannot find the dupe for this one. Okay, I do not know what this one is duping. If you guys know, then please let me know. Or if I find out later, I will definitely put it down in the description box for you guys. But this one right here, these are affordable $5 perfumes. And we are in series 9 now. And I'm trying to get them out. Just, girl, life just been lifing, okay? So we are going to go ahead and just get this out. So this one right here is Adriana Butterfly. I got this off of eBay website. This I got from 5 below. This is what I'm getting ready to tell you. It came off of eBay. It says Adriana Butterfly has a creamy blend of lavender, pear, and bergamot with a center of whipped cream, praline, coconut, and vanilla orchard with a base of musk and woody notes, characterized as floral, fruity, gourmand fragrance. Okay, so this is what they say, but then I'm also seeing something that says that it's a citrus. So I want to know whether it's the bergamot, lavender, pear, praline, coconut, vanilla thing, or is it citrus? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and smell it together. These are affordable perfumes that I'll be bringing you guys, and I have so many more, y'all, that I need to get out. But it's just that, y'all, I started a new job, so I started a new job, girl. Okay. And when I vlog, I'll show it to y'all because I am going to be vlogging. So this is what it looks like in the inside. Pretty bottle. Ooh. Oh, this is a pretty bottle. Is this the same one? This look like a. This is beautiful. Let me see this bottle. This is the same bottle. Yes, this is the same bottle. We'll go ahead on and we'll give it a sniff. So the top. Okay, let's go ahead and spray it in here first. Oh, this smells good. This smells. Oh, it done got on my pants. This smells good. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, this smells good. And y'all, the antlers, it's supposed to have antlers on top. The antlers are in the box. You see them down in there? They're in the box, so can't have it. Oh, this smells good, y'all. Oh, this smells good. Okay. I have on K.I. over here, and I have on K.I. I have eating juicy apple on here and lychee something, so can't spray that there. Oh, this smells good. This does smell like it is the what the full description says, that it's a creamy blend of lavender, pear, and bergamot with the whipped cream, praline, and the coconut. I smell all that. Orchard with a base of musk. Yes, woody notes. It's a floral, fruity gourmand. This smell, girl, I got you. You do smell some alcohol though, but once this like kind of like sit, you see it on my hand right there, it's like, I don't think any oils in there. There, this smells good. This really does. It smells good. The top is kind of like, it's not like a, okay, it's a sprayer, but it's like, it's a lot. Yes, it's a lot. Because when I sprayed it, let me see, look, it's coming out. So it's like really watery. So it's not concentrated far as oily. This do smell good though. It smells good. I wouldn't say it's gonna last on you long. And the top is so plasticky looking, y'all. You see it? It's really a cute top, but the antlers are gone, and the bottle is really pretty. This is what this look like. It's really pretty, but oh, this smells good. It's really light, y'all, and I do smell that coconut in here. It does. This is exactly what it says. It says has a creamy blend of lavender, pear, and bergamot with a center of whipped cream. It's not like a beast mode. It's not like beast mode, y'all. It's $5. Okay, let's say $5.55 from 5 below. It really does smell good though. Let's just say that it really does smell good, y'all. So I say go ahead and get it. Oh, it does smell good, y'all. I don't know how long it's gonna last. Maybe I'm thinking, I don't know if other people can smell it on you, but unless they close, unless they give you a hug and they say, oh, you smell good, but this smells good. Yeah, I would wear this. If you want something light, but creamy, with like a floral type of gourmand, like they said, floral type of gourmand, creamy, and smells like, it smells, it's really sweet. It smells sophisticated though, but a light sophistication. So to this, so but this, it does smell really good. And if they had this on beast mode, if they had put more oils in here, honey, this would you know, I believe that it would project a lot. It still smells good. Yes, this is something that I don't mind wearing. This is something light that, yeah, I can wear. So this is Adriana Butterfly, and I'm so sorry, y'all, that I cannot find what it's duping, because I done looked and looked and looked. So if you guys want to look, you can, but I'm not looking anymore. I'm done. So I just wanted to let you know it smells amazing. It does smell good. I love the frosted bottle, and then the detail that's on this bottle is really, really pretty. You see this? It's really pretty. Really pretty. It's frosted and it's cute. The top, they could have just came, it could have came just like this. I would have been all right. Okay. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the other stuff that I got from there. Okay, so I had picked up these from, y'all, I got a stain on them already. I took them to work with me. I had got these from Five Below. Y'all, I know they look kind of crusted. Don't say nothing, okay? But if I was to wipe them off, it's fine. But I had got these. You can see that they're like fairly new. I had got these from there. Yeah, I done scuffed these up already. I'm gonna show them to y'all, okay? Anyway, but I got these. I love the buckles that's on them. They look ashy, but in person they don't look like that ashy, but they ashy enough. Anyway, they were $5, y'all. And these are the a size 10, and it says, I don't even know what it says because the thing is taken off. Anyway, I bought these. I only had them, I only wore them one time, y'all, so they are still good. I just need to wipe them off before I showed y'all. Anyway, so I don't have to wipe these other ones off though, y'all. So I had picked these up right here. Oh, they were $5, $5.55. And I picked these up right here from there. Girl, do you see these? Okay, these are like the Uggs. Okay, these are like Ugg dupes, and I love this for me. This is a size 10. They look really good. I'm probably gonna try more. I don't want you, don't be looking at my ashy feet, y'all. Okay, my feet is ashy. I should have lotioned them with all that Bath and Body Works back there. Okay, but oh, these are nice. I'm gonna put my feet up so y'all can see. All right, look at these. Yes, these are cute. You see them? They are cute. Yeah, I'm ashy. Don't say a thing. Okay, not one thing. These are really cute. So cute. Okay, and then hold on, before I do that, let's see. They have the fur inside of them. Oh, they're called soulmates. That's what it says, soulmate. And those with the first ones I show you, they say soulmates. But yeah, you see the fur up in them. These are really cute and really thick. I like the wedge heel to them. So they have these now, y'all. They are out, so go get your hands on them. Actually, they had these out the beginning of summertime, but I was like, I gotta get my hands on these. So you will catch them there every now and again. Just pick them up, okay? Because they are nice. So then the next ones I got, now these are the ones I wanted, but I do want to get the true Ugg ones, y'all. The true Ugg ones, I want them, and they are these right here. These are really light and really comfortable. You see these? These are so super cute. So I'm so ashy though, y'all. Oh my goodness, I don't want to be showing y'all my feet. You say I'm ashy, don't say nothing about my feet, but these are cute. These are so cute. So yeah, these are so light and so, you know, nice. But if you can see the difference, they have these, y'all. So make sure you get your hands on them. Yeah, these are cute. A little bit, what you can get, $5, honey, it comes right on out, okay? Yeah, they are really cute, y'all. So those are things I got from Five Below. And you know, of course you have your little Five Below bag, but trust me, honey, Five Below be having some nice little shoes in there that you can get your hands on. That's really cute. You know, that I'm looking for the other shoe girls on my feet, okay? So y'all, should I do one more perfume? Let me see. I have some room here. This one is Sassy Girl, and it is This one's supposed to be a dupe for, okay, let's see. Sassy Girl is a dupe for our impressions of Fearless, Victoria's Secret for women. So this one's supposed to be a dupe for that. What's the notes in here, y'all? I will not be able to tell you. Oh, yes, I can. It says, Fearless is a bold blend of blackcurrant, orris root, and purple diamond iris. The face of the perfume is Laurel Marker Hunt. So let's go ahead and do this one. I'm giving y'all that. So let's just say this is this 8 and 9 or 9 and 10? Okay, look at the bottle. The bottle's cute. It's really cute. Really cute, y'all. You see the bottle? Beautiful bottle. Very beautiful bottle. Of course, the top. Plastic as they want to be, okay? Plastic. So let's go ahead and spray. This is cute, but different. This is cute, but different. So this says it has a blend of blackcurrant. Yes. I don't know what orris root and purple diamond iris smells like, but I know that this smells like a floral, but warm. It smells warm. It smells airy. It smells warm. And of course, it's dripping again up the top. But I do smell alcohol in it as well. And it's supposed to be a dupe for, oh, my phone. And this is supposed to be a dupe for Victoria's Secret Fearless. Sassy, supposed to be a dupe for Fearless. So I don't know what Fearless smell like, guys, but this don't smell bad. This is something that's very light. It is very light. For me, I don't think it's for me though, but I will. I mean, it's not bad, but it smells cheap. Okay, it smells really cheap. Of course, $5 some change is cheap, and what can you expect? But this smells cheap. This smells like this actually came from a Dollar Tree. You know how they did them Dollar Tree? Actually, some of the Dollar Trees are more potent than this. Okay, so this is this one right here, and it's Sassy, and it is a dupe for the Victoria's Secret one. You see that? I hope you can see it and not looking through it. Okay, so it says Fearless, and it's okay. Yeah, let that die down a little bit. Yeah, it's okay. I mean, it's okay. It's not strong, but I mean, I would wear it because I have it, y'all. Because I have it, and actually the bottle is gorgeous. So I think that let me see why I have y'all here. This should be actually let's see. This should be 8. This should be 9 and 10. So this one right here, Butterfly, is series 9, and this is 10 because I did 8. 8 was the dupe for the Ariana Grande. I mean for the Britney Spears, y'all. And then I did 6, 7, and 8. So this is 9, and then it's 10. So my next one I'll be doing will be 11. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead on and get on up out. Before I get up out of here, girl, let me just make sure that I have this. I'm all turned all crooked, not even in the frame, y'all. But you can tell this was a spur of the moment thing. I just came from the doctors, y'all. Okay. Here we go. Trying to get a thumbnail. Okay. Okay. All right, guys. So I'm going to go ahead on and take my perfumes. This one right here. I really like this. This smells really good. I'm going to go ahead and take my perfumes and get on up out of here. And I will see you guys in series 11. Y'all, I'm not even going to say it here. I'll just say it somewhere else. But I am going to be vlogging soon, guys. Again, so stay tuned for that as well. Yeah, stay tuned for that. All right, y'all. So, you know, like J Baby says, be blessed and not stressed. Mwah.